Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sanke. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation. My subject is Operation Analytics and topic is different types of analytics in supply chain. So let's begin. Supply chain analytics. Analytics that can affect quality, delivery, the customer experience and ultimately profitability. Analytics represent Analytics represent the ability to make a data-driven decision based a summary or relevant trusted data, often using visualization in a form of graph, chart, or other means. Supply chain typically generate massive amount of data. Supply chain analytics help to make a sense of all these data, uncovering pattern and generating insight. Basically, analytics means there are various types of quality, delivery, and a customer like help to help the understand the inventory trades. It's called as a supply chain analytics. Next is there are various types of supply chain analytics. So we are read the different types of supply chain analytics. First of all, descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and uh, prescriptive analytics, and last one is a quantitative analytics. First of descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is a provide visibility and a single source of trust across the supply chain for both internal and external system and the data. Means what? This it's a from a data set and enable a better understand of the data and trade. For example, descriptive analytics can help understand inventory trend in a effect business get of an idea what is happening and what happening in their supply chain. This is called as a descriptive analytics. Next is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a help the organizational stand the most likely outcome or a future scenario and it's a business implementation. For example, using predictive analytics can project and mitigate disruption and risk. Means what? Predictive analysis, this is the solution for a solution provide insight into the future. They don't exactly tell what will happen, but they can reveal trends and pattern. For example, predictive analysis identify the impact of the future to lockdown can have the raw material. Prescriptive analysis. Next is a prescriptive analytics. Help organization solve problem and collaborate for maximum business value. A competitive analytics help it can organization answer well question in a natural language. Prescriptive analytics means what? Suppose suggestion, the business can make a decision based on the direction provided by the analytical finding. For example, if a prescriptive analytic can help enterprises to determine the best time of the product launch or of the best shipment strategy for a different location. Means what? Suppose one of the Colgate product that new launching, there are various types of effect and new market strategy. These are implementing and they located in various types of sector or various types of location. This call as a, and what is the market cost, what is the mindset of the customer, this call as a prescriptive analytics. Quantitative analytics help an organization answer these are a complex question in the natural language, in the way to person or a team of people might respond to a question. It assess the company to the thing through a complex problem or issue, such as how might we improve the maximization of the various types of X problem. Next is importance of supply chain analytics. There are various importance like a gain in significant return on investment, better understand in various types of risk like better risk in finance, future and supply demand also. Increase the accuracy in planning, achieve the lean supply chain, prepare for the future. Why is supply chain analytics important? Because of supply chain analytics can help the organization make a smarter, quicker and more efficient decision. Benefit include the ability to reduce cost and improve a margin of the cost. Access competitiveness data to gain a continuous integrate planning approach and real-time visibility into disparate data that drive the operation efficiency. Because of supply chain analytics is the provider real-time analytics based on interpretation of the data companies will have for a broader supply of chain intelligence. They can become more efficient and avoid disruption while supporting a new business model. When you are creating a new business, there is a supply chain analytics is the important. Challenges of supply chain analytics. One of the foremost challenges of supply chain analytics is a relatively higher barrier to entry. For those that currently lack the system to gather this insight, purchasing the technology could be significant through worthwhile investment. Relying on spreadsheet, email, and point solution to gather and review this critical data simply won't cut it. Business needs supply chain management system that can track good from raw material to final delivery. To take a full advantages of this data, they may also need an analytics solution that can turn stream of data into useful report and visualization. There are various key features in the supply chain management. The supply chain is the most obvious phase of business for customer and consumer. The better company can perform supply chain analytics, the better is protect its business reputation and a long-term sustainability. The features of supply chain analytics. There are five features look like in supply chain analytics, which it label the five C's. Five C's principle you know about that. Connected, collaborated, cyberware, constitutively enable, comprehensiveness. It is. There are connected means what? Any supply chain analytics effort start with data. So it's a critical that the solution has access to all patent sources of information. This data connection start the ERP and any complementary business system and extend to any other technology your business like SAP also. These are connected. Collaborative. Supply chain partners are critical to your success and business should not lose sight of that. They should collaborate with their supplier and if possible customer to find way enhance the product or process. Cyberware. The business continue to add more software and connected devices. The risk of cyber attacks and chances of successful attack have increases. Company need to realize that the lean of internal cyber security sources. There are various types of software like NPNGV and cyber security also. Constitutively enable. Constitutive analytics, it has a noted earlier use AI and draw their own conclusion will surely take a bigger role in a supply chain analytics in the year to come. Consecutively enable analytics help the companies quickly understand the full effect of description and prioritize their action in response. Such a solution will only become more effective over a time, opening the door for the additional automation. Compariveness. One of insight or report only go so far. Analytics software must provide expensive and through a observation for an organization to realize the full potential of this tool. To do that, the solution needs not only extensive functionality but the scalability to still provide immediate result as it handle increasing amount of information. Thank you.